2017 Lincoln MKz Remote. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So first thing you're going to want to do is just go ahead and remove the emergency key. Okay, to do that, there's just a button right here at the bottom of the remote. Push it in, and then you can pull the emergency key out. Okay, what that's going to do, that's going to allow us to remove this back panel here, because that's where the battery's at. But it gives us this slot that's right here that we're going to use to just pry it open with a screwdriver. All right, see how I did right here? Just, and we got the screwdriver back there, and the cover will just pop off. That just kind of flew off, but this is what the cover looks like when it comes off. I just dropped it. That's a slippery son of a gun. Now, to get the battery out, there's a slot right here that we're going to use to pry the battery out. Okay, so you're going to need something kind of small. It comes right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. If you're replacing it, hopefully that comes up. It's a CR2450, positive sign facing outwards. Goes in the top of the remote, or the side of the remote first. I guess you can say this is the right side when we're looking at it this way. And then you can just get the cover and push it back on here. Okay, so it has these little feet on the top. They need to go on the top. And we can just click it all back together. Okay, and if you need a battery, there'll be a link down in the description box, so check that out if you need one. Emergency key goes back in. All done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.